Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Mr. Fixit is here again. So today, life you can't win and our work so good. Motor is winding down, winding up, but it seems like the window, the glass is not attached to the harness that pull it down and push it up. So we're about to check and see what exactly is happening. So before we get to that, you need to know where the screws are. There's a screw right there, just right where the lever that opens the door is. And there's two screws in this envelope. One is at the top, one is at the bottom. That's it guys. Phillips screwdriver. Handle remove. So guys, on the handle there's a clip. Now if you guys can see it, there's a clip right here. You just turn this clip to this way and just lift the wire that attached to the handle out. So I don't know if you can see. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. I'm going to flip the camera. So guys, the wire goes in this little hole right here, right? I can see that. Yes. And this little here right now, see it has a groove in it right here. This groove lock the wire and keep it in place. It doesn't jump out. That's it. Door comes off. That section of the door have these little clips that hold it. Outside. And this section, just lift it up like that. It's that easy. Plug this here half. Right, now we can see what's happening in there. Alright. We're gonna plug this back on guys. Keys on. And wind it down. This train's going for the screws. Oh, oh. I don't see how the screws pull. So what I mean, guys, these screws pull out. I'm not even sure how these screws pull out. So this section is attached to the glass. This plastic area is attached to the glass. And the plastic area is screwed to the harness that goes up and down the track. This is the track that slides up the harness up and down, that push the window up and carry it down. So I'm not sure how these screws fell out. I'm a bit lost on that one. This is unbelievable, guys. Both screws drop out there. How it pull, I am not sure. Sure, bang those. Alright. Window is back. Window is working, guys. Simple fix. All we have to do is just fit up back. That's it, guys. When this finished, guys, was nothing difficult. And I'm sure if you take it to a technician shop, this would cost you at least 1, 3, 4 grand to do. Something that you could actually do yourself. Simple fix. Nothing major, just two screws fell out. Put back the two screws in when that is working perfectly. So all you need is maybe a half an hour or an hour depending on your time to just check it and fix it yourself. So thanks for watching guys. Really appreciate the support. See you next time.